In this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots and then how to put them in your Google Documents. So the first thing you want to do is, this is the easiest way to take a screenshot. You want to search Awesome Screenshot extension in Google, and the very first thing that pops up, this is the link you're going to click, and it's going to take you to the extension. So you want to make sure you see this image, and you want to click Add to Chrome, and then it'll ask you one more time, and then add the extension. So now that this extension is added, that's great. What you want to do is hit this puzzle piece that says extensions, and go down to Awesome Screenshot, the one we just downloaded or added, and I want you to click this pin button, and that will keep it up there so that you don't have to continuously find it. So after you've added the extension, you have to take two screenshots. The first one was for math and the second was for English. So when you're in Freckle and you go to math, you want to make sure you click adaptive math, and then you want to make sure you go on ratios and proportions, because those are the ones we were looking at. So if you already completed it, your screen should look more similar to mine. If you haven't completed it yet, make sure you do that. So when I click on this, you'll see there's my level. So if I want to take a screenshot showing I'm at level 11, I'm almost done level 11, you can see by the little gap there, I will go up to my Awesome Screenshot button, click on it, and it opens up this. I want to make sure I'm capturing my screen, and then you can do a selected area. I'm going to cover from here to here and take that screenshot. So I first highlight it all, and then it'll ask me if I want to cancel, copy, or capture. I'm going to hit capture. And then after you capture all of the image, it'll open up a new tab on the top right. So I click on that, and then there's the picture that I just took a screenshot of. So this is me taking a screenshot of the level I'm at. You're going to go over here, you're going to click done, and then I want you to right click on the image here and click copy image. After you have this copied, I want you to go to your Google Classroom. For example purposes, I will be in my Win 7A block. I want you to go to your classwork, and we were doing our Freckle trial for December 9th. So you're going to go in that document. You each have your own individual one. And I took an image for my math class, so I'm going to insert it where it corresponds with math. So I'm going to delete all these words. I'm going to right click again, and I'm going to click paste. And that pasted my image for me, so I did one of them. So you're going to go back to Freckle, and now we're going to take an image of our English profile. So we go to English. We did the word study today in class, so I want you to click on word study. And this was where I was placed at level-wise. So I'm going to take another screenshot. I'm going to hit the button, hit capture, selected area, and I'm just going to include this little bit right here. I'll click capture, and it takes me to that new slide. I hit done, and this is where you copy. You have to hit done before you can copy the image. So right click on it, copy the image, go back to your document. This was our English word study. I'm going to delete these words here. I'm going to right click and hit paste. There's my second level placement. So that's how you insert screenshots into your document. Make sure you get this extension. It works for all computers as long as you're on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, feel free to email me on this topic.